Hi everybody. So today I'm doing some Great Northern white beans. And then after I do these, I'm going to do some bean and bacon soup. And what I've done is I've soaked the beans for an hour. I'm putting a half a cup of the beans in each jar. And this is a 1 pound bag. Make sure you always wash your beans really good. Lift you up. I have some ham broth here in a pitcher. Need another jar. Need another jar. Jars. And this is basically the dry canning method. Just had them soaking because I was washing them. So I have 7 pints here. I'm just going to add a little bit to each one. So I don't have that many left. Did you all have good holidays? I hope everyone got through that weird, crazy weather thing. Went from like 70 degrees and tornadoes to snow and ice. And I think a lot of people died across the south. Crazy. It's very nice today, but the rest of the week I think winter's coming. Winter's coming. Uh-oh, I feel a sneeze coming. Oh. Okay. I don't want to sneeze when I'm pouring this broth. 1 inch of headspace. Oh, I feel it again. Do you look at the sun or not look at the sun to make that go away? Or light? I don't know. Just a smidge more water. Okay. If you haven't done this method of quick canning beans, you really need to try because it works. Just don't go from the bag to the jar. You will have dirty beans. I have a video where I show you guys how dirty that water is from when you wash your beans. And whenever I see somebody just scooping them out of the bag, I get the heebie-jeebies. Okay. So let's see, I've got 2 regular mouths. See how fast this is? This is a fast, easy peasy canning project. And it is so much cheaper than buying canned beans. You get a pound for $1 or less. Oh, I did And you can get a can for $1 or more. So, just saying. I need one more wide mouth. Well, that's pectin, not. That's an empty box. Okay, let me run to my stash and get some lids. What are you doing, Tippy? Been trying to use up all my ball products. I don't know if I have yet. Oh, where'd my basket go? Well, this is me not being very prepared, isn't it? Okay. Just gonna lay right there in front of the stove, Rocky. Need 1, 2. My foster dog has decided to lay. Okay, thank you, girl. Put them in your canner. Fingertip tight. And these will be used for recipes because I'm going to make some bean and bacon soup, which will be kind of like the Campbell's, but better. Mo better. Mo better. So there we go. Where to put the lid? Now you want to match your V's. You have a V on your lid, and you have a V on your handle. Line those up, lock it up, turn it on. Seems the more I try to be organized, the more unorganized I'm getting. And when this starts to vent for 10 minutes, after 10 minutes, put your weight on. It's 10 pounds for 1,000 elevation and under, and it's 15 pounds for anything over that, unless you have a gauge. Then it would be 11 and 10 or something like that. I don't know. So I prefer the jiggler, especially on a glass top stove. It's very hard to regulate the gauge, in my opinion, on this stove. So this will come up, this will vent for 10 minutes. Put your jiggler on, set your timer for 75 minutes, and I will see you when these are coming out of the canner. Okay, our beans are done. Always take the lid off away from you. Whew. still boiling. I think I could have added more beans, being these were soaked. Hot stuff. So there we go. Water looks good. Uh-oh, I fogged you up. So there we go, guys. There's our beans. If you have any questions, post them down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And I will see you in the next video.